we will start with the problem. That is question number, this is the A part. That is, find a point on y-axis which is equidistant from the points, that is from the point A 6,5 and B -4,3. Okay, from the points, that is y-axis, any point on y-axis, that is any point on y-axis, it can be 0, any point on y-axis is x is 0 and y is anything else. That is, let it be 0, A. Okay, now any point, the solution, any point on y-axis will be, any point on y-axis is 0, A, and we name it as P. We name it as P. This is the P. Okay. Therefore, the condition is that PA is equal to PB. PA is equal to PB. Now, PA square we will find out. PA square will be, that is root over, PA square will be x minus, that is, this is A square, that is 0 minus 6x square, 0 minus 6 whole square, plus A minus 5 whole square. Therefore, I get this distance. I will not take the square root of it, because I don't have, when I do the calculation, I will be doing it. Now, PA square, PB square is what? PB square, can you tell me? PB square, P is that 0 minus x2 minus x1, that is plus of 4, and plus the second part is that A minus 3 whole square. Now they have told you, given PA is equal to PB is equal to PA, implies it is PA square, I square both the sides, is equal to PB square, implies that is 0 minus 6 whole square plus A minus 5 whole square is equal to 0 plus of 4 whole square is equal plus x minus A minus 3 whole square. I open the square of both the sides, I get that is equal to 36 plus A square plus 10A minus 10A, sorry, it is A minus B whole square, minus 10A plus of 25, and this side will be 16 whole square, that is 4 whole square, that is 16, plus A square minus 6A plus of 9. This is the equation comes in the term of unknown quantity A. So we will solve it. Then I get, that is A square will be cutting both the sides. That is minus 10A minus 6A is this side. So if I bring it there, here, this is minus 4A. And this is 36 plus 25 is, how much it is? It is 61. 61, and I'll take that side. That is 16 plus 9, 25. That is equal to 25 minus 61, implies that is 4A is equal to 61. This is how much? 6 into 36. Therefore, A is equal to 9. So therefore, the point on y-axis, axis is 0, 9. Have you followed? 0, 9. I then have, this is the point on y-axis, because y-axis x is 0. Similarly, I will do the part B, and now part B I will just help you to do it, but completion will be done by you. Any point on x-axis, y is 0. Yes, y is 0. That is, this I will draw here. The point is 2, minus 5. 2, minus 5. 2, minus 5. That is, let it be A. And P is what? B is what? B is minus 2, 9. B is minus 2, 9. And here, this is x-axis, x dash, and y. If you forget to write this, then your sum gets nullified. Nullified in a sense, that is, you will not attain any marks because it doesn't make any sense. Okay. Then I take a point on x-axis. Let it be here. That is, let a point P on x-axis. That is B, 0. According to the given condition, they have given you PS square is equal to PB square. PB square. There, any point on x-axis will be x is B and x is B and y is 0. 0, because x-axis, the y will not work. That is equal to, that is implies, it is, I will just solve roughly and you will make it correct. Okay, then it is that A is a square, that is PA square, that is P is B minus 2 whole square plus A क्या है? What is that? Is 0 plus of 5 whole square is equal to PA square. PB square will be how much? P plus of 2 whole square, plus of 2 minus plus of 2 minus how much? Plus of 2 minus of minus, that is plus of 5 PB. Sorry, this is not PB. PB is this, minus 2 minus B, minus 2 minus B whole square, that is plus how much? Plus is that it is PB square, that is P 0 minus, this is what? 0 minus 9, 0 minus 9, that is 0 minus 9 whole square. Now you solve, we get the value of B. Therefore, now you solve and get the value of B, and it is that the point will be on x-axis. I repeat, that is the point on y-axis is x will be 0, 0, A, and point on x-axis y will be 0, that is B, 0.